Vamwangu imezunushna kavola hapeni a video kamwi. Hi guys and welcome back to another video. This is a cleaning motivation video. I hope by the end of this video you get motivated to stand up and do something for your home. So welcome and welcome back. Today we are outside. We are cleaning outside. Okay, I know it's so easy to neglect the outside part of your home, but this is actually the most essential part of your home. You should actually be clean outside, inside. Usually we say inside out, but I want to say outside, inside. Because as for the people who are passing by outside, they see how dirty your house is and that reflects on you. So it doesn't matter how much you clean the inside, the outside needs to equally be cleaned. And these two trees overgrew because of winter. Should I use that excuse because of winter? Yeah, because half of the time it was cold, half of the time, all the time, we were just indoors. Specifically, I was indoors. And we have been talking about these trees for some time with my husband. Every time we drive in or drive out, oh, we're like, we need to cut these things, we need to cut these things. But I thought we'll do it over the next coming weekend. So it was not even planned, hence my outfits, and I really apologize for that. So I was just supposed to be resting today, but then I thought about the trees outside. I'm like, let me go and check if that scissors is still around. So I went to check the scissors. Then I'm like, let me go and test if it's sharp enough. So I got outside. I started, and it was actually sharp. So I couldn't just stop. I just got scissor happy, and then continued. And it was just too late for me to go and change and everything because as I was cutting, I don't know if you can see this, like some dust, some small insects or something like that is there. So I just didn't want to get back inside the house and just make everything dirty. Yeah, you know.
Baby brought mommy water.
So as I was working hard,
Thank you,
my
my
baby
baby.
boy
Thank
came
you.
and brought me some water. I was so happy, guys. I am at the point where I just say, my baby, please, can you bring me this and that? And he will. So we are sending each other around here. Yeah. So was just a nice experience also for the both of
Thank you for
us, for
bringing
my
mommy
baby
water.
and I,
Eh?
because we got to actually
Thank you very
catch some
much.
vitamin C. Is it C from the sun? You know, while we work or exercise or get some work done outside. It was just so nice for him to be out here, you know,
Yeah.
without any gadgets or glued to any TV or anything. So he was just here enjoying
Good job,
walking
ne?
barefoot. I was also walking barefoot. I love doing that because, yo, it's just, I grew up with that. So now when you're in town, it's kind of difficult all the time. You have to have your shoes on and stuff. But I was just so happy to actually do this barefoot, you know. Hi guys, I was literally shaking when I came out of from there. It's currently 12:15, but I think I left there maybe 12 o'clock on the dot or something. I was just on the call, I didn't follow, and my watch is charging, so I was literally shaking because I was so hungry. I don't know, today was supposed to be my rest day. And then out of the blue, I got out of bed. My son accidentally spilled juice, so I got out of bed. This is my home uniform, don't judge me. So I got out of bed and started cleaning that. So after cleaning that, there was small laundry on the line. I took it out, put it back. Then I was like, those trees outside, I don't like how they look. So let me look for the scissors and just actually check if it's sharp enough so that maybe by the weekend I can ask my husband to do it, you know. So I took the thing, went outside, I tried, and it was going so smooth and like so nice and everything. So I just got scissor happy and started. That's how I got to that point. So it was not prepared. Hence the outfit I was supposed to be probably in my overalls. Nothing is planned. So right now I am extremely hungry. I didn't eat anything this morning since last night. My son only had yogurt and he's also hungry. So let me show you what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so This is the quickest way to go, right? So I just chopped my vegetables and just put in here. This is my kango plate, and it's because I don't want to wash different things. So I'm not using a pan. I'll use all that later. So I just decided to use my kango plates. Then this one I'm using to cover so that everything cooks nice. And in there, again, don't judge me. This is the problem of having one set of pots. So I'm using that. And right now, the only thing that can help me is just pap. Is literally pap. Okay. I just don't want to mess up everything in terms of. Okay, Baka is wearing jacket. Wow. In terms of jacket, I don't have strength to wash later because I didn't finish also outside. So here I'm starting with rice already for my husband, and in there is the one that I want to use for the meat for the later. So yesterday I fried meat. That's the last bit standing. So it's what we're gonna eat with this. And right now I just want to use this cube to put here just to add some salt and some nice taste. Guys, I don't know why I do this to myself every day, all day. I don't know why I do this to myself. And I couldn't even take you through the vlog because I threw this preparation because I was so hungry. I was just wanted to get started and finish. Then we move on. So that's where we ate, guys. After eating, I guess we're gonna rest. And then we shall continue in the evening again because we need to, clean out the place. I don't know if my husband is going to agree to finish the top part, or else I'll just get a chair and then see what we can do with that part. But yeah, it wasn't planned, guys. Don't judge me. Look at it. Whew, I'm really hungry and tired. So yeah, I'm gonna do this, cook, rest, and finish. So guys, this is what I was trying to explain to you earlier. This is where I cooked the pap, and this is where we're gonna eat. This is where I made the sauce, and this is where we're gonna eat. So the other pot, the rice, and then the chicken over there. So I'm too tired for any fancy meals right now, so I'm just gonna make rice, chicken curry, straightforward. So I'm making sure that this is dinner, the chicken and stuff. So I make sure that I'm cooking that now. Yeah, my baby and I go and eat this one for lunch. I don't know why today. Like I said, today was supposed to be my resting day. So the pap, the extra. So this is going to be left over for tomorrow, later in the day or whenever. After. My hand is literally still shaking because I'm really tired. So this is all I'm gonna wash now. See how easy and simple that was? As usual, guys, I'll ask you guys to subscribe if you haven't already. It doesn't cost you a thing, as I usually say. It's just a simple follow, like it's just a simple follow, like you would on any other social media. So it's now after 5, and like I said, you can't trust. I couldn't trust, like, put my trust on my husband to come and finish this because. Funny enough, this is the day where he got like an emergency. Now he had to work late. So now imagine if I had to rely on him to come and do everything. And of course, I wasn't expecting much from him because it's a weekday and I don't expect him to do it, like come and continue working after being, at work, working out. So basically, what I did, I just took a chair and continued where I left, but there's still some parts on top that needs us to get a ladder. So we don't have a ladder, so my husband will try and borrow a ladder, then we can now just clean up everything on top of it so that it all look nice. Anyhow, I got some help from my brother-in-law also when he got back from work. He continued outside cleaning there. It became a team where it was so nice because we could finish early on time. So while he was doing that, I'm sure you can see him in the background, I also started working out on this part where I want to now come and put my garden. So watch out for that content. We are starting a new garden this side. It's the space is quite bigger, so this is where I want to make my garden. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing, and I hope this also motivates you guys to go and do something for yourself, like cleaning the outside of your house. It could be planting, it could be anything like that. So this is how my feet looks like after a whole day. It was terrible. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Ciao.